Hi, my name is Matthias Peter and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you on what podcast I listen to. So why I listen to podcasts? So basically a podcast is an alternative to a video that you can do other things while you are listening to it. And I normally listen to this podcast more often during this pandemic as we are working from home, and usually when I want to listen to the podcast, I usually listen to it early in the morning, especially before I start my meeting, having my breakfast, or even doing my laundry. I will have my wireless earphone with me. This one, the medium I use is Spotify. You can also listen to podcasts in any medium such as Google Podcasts. I think that's the name for it. And you can also use the Apple Podcast as well. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 podcasts that I recommend and I always listen to during my working from home. So the first podcast that I want to share with you is the Gary V audio experience. And this guy, his name is Gary V, and he started a YouTube video back in 2006, and it was called Wine Library TV. What I learned in this podcast is to put empathy and kindness first in your entrepreneurship mindset. So Gary V creates daily vlogs, and inside his podcast, he talks about entrepreneurship, cryptocurrency like NFTs, self-development, and also strategy to grow your audience. Okay, moving on to the second podcast that I want to recommend to you, which is The Future with Chris Do. So Chris Do is a CEO of The Future, and he aims to teach 1 billion people on how to make a living doing what they love without losing their soul. And what I learned inside this podcast is about marketing strategy, how to charge client, and personal development. So what interesting about the podcast is they do things like role playing. So basically it's like a client and customer and how they actually deal with the situation. Okay, on the third podcast that I listen to is the Think Media podcast. It is a podcast by Sean Cannell and Heather Torres. What they talk about is on the YouTube growth strategy and how to scale your business with video. And I also learned these 2 quotes that I learned from them is actually just to press record when you're creating your video and punch fear in the face. So that's the challenge I'm taking every week, to post a video and posted it in my YouTube. So the next podcast that I want to share with you is called the Viral Podcast. And I started to know this Viral Podcast back in 2020. And this podcast is actually teaches you on the long-term investment strategy and personal finance. So this Viral Podcast is conducted by Malaysian guy, and the name is MJ and John. What I learned in this podcast is, in their podcast, most of it interviews, basically interviewing the investors from different backgrounds, and from there we learn insights on the industry. If you love about investing, make sure to check the Viral Podcast and support Malaysian. So the last podcast that I want to share with you is called the Mind Valley Podcast with Vision. And Vision is also a Malaysian guy, and he started his company called the Mind Valley in America. And this podcast is focusing on personal growth for the mind, body, spirit, and also your work. So these are the 5 podcasts that I want to share with you. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.